Is it the right time to buy or sell Shopify stock? That's the question we'll be answering in this video. We published our initial report on Friday, February 2, 2024, and now we're back with a more detailed analysis just for you. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. We'll keep you informed about any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4. Visit StockInvest.us to benefit from the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 2, 2024, our system has identified Shopify as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 4.38. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. We'll closely monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the upcoming days. This stock is currently on a strong upward trend, indicating potential for further growth. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected change of 28.99%, with a potential return between 19.82% and 31.88%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a potential change of 55.17%, with a return ranging from 1.57% to 57.20%. This could result in a price range of $84.23 to $130.37 after a year. Our latest update for Shopify brings exciting news: a very strong day for Shopify stock price on Friday. On the last trading day, which was Friday, February 2, 2024, the Shopify stock price experienced a significant gain of 8.09%. It rose from $76.72 to $82.93. Throughout the day, the stock showed a fluctuation of 4.66%, ranging from a low of $79.33 to a high of $83.03. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a notable 3.65% gain. Interestingly, the volume of shares traded increased along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In fact, 4 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in a total of 17 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $1.44 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price of the stock was $83.58, while the lowest price was $39.02. Currently, the price is 0.77% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $0.645. Furthermore, it is 95.3% below the all-time high on November 19, 2021, when the price reached $1,762.92. Today, we will discuss the latest analyst ratings for Shopify, a popular e-commerce platform. Let's dive into the details. Starting with Thursday, January 18, 2024, Barclays gave Shopify an equal weight grade, suggesting a neutral stance with a hold action. This indicates that Barclays believes the stock's performance will be in line with the overall market and advises investors to hold their positions. Now, let's move on to Monday, December 18, 2023, when JMP Securities downgraded Shopify and gave it a perform grade. This downgrade suggests that JMP Securities expects Shopify's performance to be below average compared to its industry peers. Next, on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, Raymond James gave Shopify a market perform grade with a hold action. Raymond James believes that Shopify's performance will be in line with the overall market and recommends holding on to the stock. On the same day, Wedbush also downgraded Shopify and gave it a neutral grade. This indicates that Wedbush expects Shopify's performance to be neither significantly positive nor negative. Lastly, on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, Needham gave Shopify a hold grade with a hold action. Needham suggests that investors should maintain their current positions without making any drastic changes. Analysts have given Shopify stock a general buy rating. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratio are both rated as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Shopify stock. Shopify stock has received buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. Additionally, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, which further reinforces the buy signal. In case of downward corrections, the stock has support at $81.09 and $78.56. If the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. It's worth noting that the volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, there have also been some negative signals that may impact the stock's short-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, January 29, 2024, resulting in a minus 0.730% decrease so far. It's expected that the stock will continue to decline until a new bottom pivot is identified. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence has given a sell signal. Pivots have signaled a sell 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands have indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. The short-term moving average has shown a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average has given a sell signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average has indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average has given a buy signal 64 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages has shown a buy signal 50 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Shopify. When it comes to support levels, Shopify has some key levels to watch out for. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $78.35 and $73.86. Support levels act as a cushion for the stock, but there's always a risk involved when testing these levels. If the support at $78.35 is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level at $73.86 and $73.79. Moving on to risk, Shopify is considered to have medium risk due to its average movements during the day and good trading volume. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $3.70, which is equivalent to a 4.66% fluctuation. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.38%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Shopify, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One significant metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio suggests that the company has negative earnings or is currently losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to face periods of decline, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 21, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates project earnings of $0.240. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's dive into potential day trading levels for Shopify. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for Shopify is at $83.54. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be broken before considering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Shopify encounters its first support level at $78.35. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Shopify is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades were conducted by Shopify Strategic Holdings 3 LLC. They bought and sold a total of 17,809,464 shares or options in the company. Based on the 42 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 63.869. Overall, insiders have purchased 53,171,191 shares and sold 13,997,731 shares in the last 42 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $79.47, which represents a decrease of 4.17%. Considering the stock's daily movements, it falls into the medium risk category. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 4 days ago. Is Shopify stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a general good trend for Shopify stock. This indicates that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a buy candidate. When we look at the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, February 5th, we expect Shopify to open down -$1.17 and start trading at $81.76. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions related to securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the current view of this stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.